everything you need to know about using menstrual cups. Hi there, I'm Shrujna and hearty welcome to our channel. What is menstrual cup? A menstrual cup is a type of reusable feminine hygiene product. It's a small, flexible, funnel-shaped cup made of rubber or silicone that you insert into your vagina to catch and collect period fluid. How to use a menstrual cup? If you are interested in using a menstrual cup, talk to your gynecologist to figure out the right menstrual cup size for you. You and your doctor should consider your age, whether or not you have a heavy flow, if you have given birth vaginally, etc. What are the advantages of using menstrual cups? Number one, they are budget friendly. You pay one-time price for a reusable menstrual cup, unlike tampons or pads. Number two, menstrual cups are safer because menstrual cups collect rather than absorb blood. 3. Menstrual cups hold more blood. A menstrual cup can hold about 1 to 2 ounces of menstrual flow. 4. They are eco-friendly. Reusable menstrual cups can last long time, which means you are not contributing more waste to the environment. Okay, Shrujna, now give us heads up on the cost now. Well, it costs around rupees 300 maximum and that's all. So, what are you waiting for? You go, girl.